that's going surprisingly well. I mean, yeah, of course it's going well. Of course. Nice. Alright. Next row up is going to be, I mean, every row I go up gets harder. I don't know if I can just use this rope technique. Such a good fit. Beautiful. Nice. I'm only doing one of these at a time. However, this will harden enough within a couple hours that I can do the next one. So I can do more than 2 per day. And I can only make 2 of these per day. I mean, I could make more, but you know, I only have 1 mold. Anyway, I'm only making 2 of these pieces per day. So as long as I can put up at least 2 per day, that's fine. Even though I have a bit of a surplus at the moment. Okay, what's next? While that piece up there is solidifying, oh right. Let's figure out, I've got 2 rows of this outer covering done, which is amazing. I might smooth it out a little later, but yeah, it's looking really good. Can I just do the 3rd row the same as I have been? So this rope here is attached like over there and over there in the ground. So it's at an angle, you know. On the 2nd row, it was okay. I could get up to here, gradually go back down. Maybe can get up to the 3rd level. I don't want to put the rope all the way around the building because I don't want to crack this stuff, especially where the windows are. Like it's just gonna, if I tighten the rope as tight as I need to get it to hold this in place, and it was here, it would crack that and that. So it's got to come down. Well, I don't know. I guess I'll give it a try. See how it goes. I mean, oh, I also have to put new fiberglass mesh here because this went up to here, did 2 rows. So I can get another 2 rows. The next layer, okay, I need fiberglass mesh. And then, all right, let me just put the mesh on first, I guess. It was super convenient having this string up here. Put 3 of them around up there. Just gonna cut this, wrap it around. All right, I think this will still do it. Not too much of an angle. These poles are anchored at the bottom, so the string really just has to hold the top in. And that pulls that part in, and that's pretty good too. I have to go get the rocks and sand way down at the other end. Now, sift out all the big rocks. Anything that'll fit through there should fit down here.